Hi guys, in this video I'm going to explain what is role frequency section in TG software and how it is important to crack the MegaGL. So role frequency section, let me tell you guys, it is one of the powerful section, and so what it gives you is it gives you the flexibility that how many players you want from one team in one particular section in the sense batting section, wicket keeping section, bowling section, or all-rounder section. So it is a very important thing. A match, Australia women versus West Indies women. So I'm going to quickly explain what it is and how it works. And so basically, role frequency section will eliminate the false combinations, and it gives you the best combinations which have the potential to become the dream team. So I will explain you completely now. So let's see, in our TG software we have a match, Australia women versus West Indies women. So I'm going to quickly continue on team generator, and after that we have 4 wicket keepers. So you can see Beth Mooney, Ellis Healy, and S. Campbell, and R. Williams. And we can clearly say that these two Australian wicket keepers are very quality batsmen compared to this West Indies. So you can either use fixed player option in our TG software, or you can use role frequency to eliminate some wrong teams. Like for example, if there is a team where if there is a team with 2 wicket keepers, we don't want these 2 wicket keepers from West Indies, because considering this Australia is a very strong wicket keeping section, all the 4 wicket keepers. So basically we don't want a team with 2 wicket keepers and those 2 wicket keepers from West Indies, considering West Indies have very low talented wicket keepers when compared to Australia. So we want at least 1 wicket keeper from Australia. That is very important, that we can achieve through role frequency section. And also in batting also, let me select all the 4 players. We have 2 players from West Indies and 2 players from Australia, so let's keep it aside. And in all-rounder section we have 7 all-rounders, and 4 of them are from West Indies and 3 of them are from Australia. All the 3 all-rounders from Australia are very quality, and also H. Matthews is also very quality all-rounder, and C. Henry is also quality all-rounder. So out of which you can see 3 are from Australia and 4 are from West Indies. So again we will go for the bowling section, and we will select all the bowlers as well. So we can see 4 bowlers from Australia and 3 bowlers from West Indies. So I will click on continue, and I suggest you to select advanced generation section. So in this section you can see this is a fixed player section. So what is the difference between fixed player section and role frequency section? So for example, let's see in the wicket keeper section we have 2 wicket keepers from Australia. If I fix any one player from Australia, for example if I fix Beth Mooney, then every team will have Beth Mooney. But in role frequency section, if I say I need at least 1 wicket keeper from Australia, it can be Beth Mooney or it can be Alyssa Healy. So we have a flexibility that we are not fixing 1 player, we are fixing 1 wicket keeper from Australia. So the chances are, if Alyssa Healy failed, if Alyssa Healy flopped, then Beth Mooney might get the chance and she will score more. So the team will not get spoiled because of fixing Alyssa Healy. So like also in the fixed players we have all-rounders. So you can also combine fixed player strategy along with role frequency strategy. This works very nice. Let's say for example we have 4 all-rounders from West Indies, and H. Matthews is a very important all-rounder from West Indies. So I am pretty sure that H. Matthews is going to perform today, so I am going to fix her. So after that I will click on continue. So in captain section, that is your prediction, that based on your prediction you can do that. I'm not making prediction video for this match. I'm making a video to explain role frequency section and how it works. So let me quickly select some captain and vice captain players as well. So after that continue. So this also based on which team has the more favorites, so you can select. I feel Australia is going to win, so let's say, and also skip this section. That's, you can also select those percentage selection as well. and also going with the suggested credit range. So this is important. We have 4 bowlers and 7 all-rounders, 8 bowlers and 4 wicket keepers. So I suggest you to select, for example, so I suggest you to select 2144, 2153. So and then you can select, you can also select 2243 as well, and also you can select some combinations like 1154, 45 and 1154. So and also 1244. So like this I have selected few combinations based on the match scenario, because I have only 4 bowlers in the 4 batsmen, and and also women's matches batting section is not that powerful most of the time. That's why I'm selecting less batsmen and more all-rounders and more bowlers. That is okay. So now let's come to the main point of the of this video, that is roll frequency section. So want to add more strategies, you should click here if you want to use roll frequency strategy. So you can see in Australia we have from Australia we have up to 2 wicket keepers, and also in West Indies also we have 2 wicket keepers. So what I need, I just definitely need at least 1 wicket keeper from Australia, and it can be 2 as well. So I want every team to have at least 1 wicket keeper from Australia, at least in the sense the team can have 2 wicket keepers from Australia as well. And from West Indies I want 0 to 1. So 0 to 1 in the sense, if a team have only one if a team have 1 wicket keeper from Australia, so I can also select 1 wicket keeper from West Indies as well. That team also contain 1 wicket keeper from West Indies. And 0 in the sense, if a team contains 2 Australian wicket keepers, so it can be 0 from West Indies as well. So no wicket keeper from West Indies as well. Like that it happens. And in the batting section, so we have 2 batsmen from Australia and 2 batsmen from West Indies. If you think out of those 2 batsmen, 1 batsman will definitely be there in the dream team from Australia, you can select 1 and 2. And from batsmen from West Indies, you can select 0 and 1. So 0 and 1 in the sense, I don't want any batsman also from West Indies, and also if 1 batsman come from West Indies, that is also fine. 0, 1 means. And from all-rounders, we have 3 all-rounders from Australia and 4 all-rounders from West Indies. So I want out of those 3, if you want at least 2 all-rounders from Australia, you can select 2, 3. So 2, 3 in the sense, we want at least 2 players from all-rounder section. Even 3 is also fine. And from West Indies, we have already fixed 1 player, H. Matthews, you already know, right? So that's why the minimum is 1. So it cannot be 0 because we have fixed 1 all-rounder already. So you can select 1, 2 and as well as 3 as well. So you can see 2, 3 and 1, 2, 3. So the minimum number of all-rounders from Australia is going to be 2. So the every team is going to contain at least 2 all-rounders from Australia. This is what it means. And also in the bowling section, we have 4 bowlers from Australia and 3 bowlers from West Indies, and I'm pretty sure that out of 4, 2 will definitely come. So I'm going to select 2, 3 and even all the 4 can also come. So I can select also 4, but as of now I'm thinking only 2 and 3, at least 2 and maximum 3 can come from Australian bowling side. So and from West Indies, you can see I feel there are 3 bowlers, and even 0 is also fine. 0, 1, 2. So 0, 1, 2. You can also select 2, 3, 4 and 0, 1, 2. So 0, 1, 2 in the sense, that means we can have a team with 0 bowlers from West Indies, and we can also have a team with 2 at most 2 bowlers from West Indies. And 2, 3, 4 means we can have we definitely will have at least 2 bowlers from Australia and up to maximum of 4 bowlers from Australia. So and after that you will click on continue, and then you will click number of teams, and you can see all these teams are created. And what is sure is we will definitely contain 2 all-rounders from Australia and 1 batsman from Australia, and at least one wicketkeeper from Australia and at least two bowlers from Australia. Every team will be like this, and this is a very powerful flexibility to crack the Mega GL. I hope you understand the video. If you don't understand the video, please watch this again and also practice yourself in our TG software. It is a very budget friendly, 159 rupees per month. So thanks for watching. Consider subscribing. Stay hard, stay in fight.